guys, welcome to another episode of Zach's Credit Card Guide. This week we're talking about a cool cashback card from Bank of America. This is the latest card to my wallet, and it's one that I haven't really seen talked about a whole lot. It's not necessarily a new card, but there's not a lot of videos out there about it, so I wanted to let you guys know. If you do focus on cashback versus points, this is a really powerful card that you should consider adding to your wallet. So first, the basics. It has no annual fee, so right off the bat, it's a no-brainer to pick up. Right now, it is offering a $200 bonus as a statement credit, and that is again just cash back for spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. So really low-hanging fruit, easy one to get. That's a 20% return on your spend. That's pretty good. And right now, it is offering 0% intro APR for the first 15 months. And I always do like to mention, be careful with the no interest introductory periods. Don't go out and buy a bunch of stuff that you can't afford, because you could get into trouble if you do that. I mean, if you're disciplined and you're structured and you know you can keep up with it and pay it off on time, you know, fine. But don't get one of these cards and spend a bunch of money on it and then pay interest when that period ends. It does offer a couple cool benefits that we normally see on cards, like extended warranty and trip cancellation / interruption insurance. And one thing that I do like is that you can redeem the cash back for any amount at any time. There are cashback cards out there that you have to redeem in increments of like $25. So if you have like $18 on there and maybe you don't use the card that much, it's just gonna sit there until you spend enough to get up to that minimum redemption amount. So I don't really like that. I wish banks would stop doing that. This card is cool in that you can redeem the cash back for any amount at any time. And now for kind of the headline feature of this card and why I think it could be a superpowered part of your strategy, again, if you do focus on cash back. So the card offers 3% cash back in one of your choice of categories that you can change monthly if you'd like to. Your choices of 3% categories are gas, online shopping, travel, dining, drugstores, or home improvement stores. So 6 different categories that a lot of people spend decent amounts of money on that, again, you can change monthly if you wanted to. So depending on your strategy, you can pivot and do all sorts of different stuff if you want to. So if you know you're going on a trip and you're gonna be spending a bunch of money on travel, switch it to 3%. When you get back home, maybe spend more money on dining or gas or something, switch it back. That's really this card's superpower, and I think it could be a really cool part of a cashback strategy. Other earning categories are 2% on wholesale clubs and grocery stores. You just get that all the time, and then 1% on everything else. So the ability to change your 3% category on a monthly basis if you wanted to, I think is a really cool feature. And I wish there were more cards that offered some flexibility like this. The cool thing, if you focus on cash back, I prefer points personally. That's where I get the most value. But if you're not traveling a lot right now, or for whatever reason, if you just want to focus on cash back, the advantage there is you can pick different superpowered cards from different issuers and keep them all in your wallet. Those of us who focus on points kind of get tied into a walled garden, a system. Like I primarily focus on Chase, and for my non-minimum spend, bonus hunting, you know, just my everyday life, my wallet is filled with Chase cards because I'm tied to their points. That's what I've decided. But if you focus on cash back, you just find the best cards from whatever issuers and put them in your wallet. So this one's your 3% card, maybe you make it for dining, and then you go get some other card for gas and just put them all in your wallet. So a really cool card. I just picked this one up. I'm gonna get that $200 bonus and work on my tattoo sleeve. And real quick before I go, guys, I just wanted to share a quick story with you. So I had my first like legitimate Chase shutdown scare the other night. So I was up late last weekend, Saturday night into Sunday morning, and I was going through and just kind of checking my accounts, doing some maintenance, you know, looking at everything, paying off balances, doing what I do. And I opened up the app and I was looking at my accounts with Chase, and I saw on every account it said account balance not available, and it said like new transactions may not update, things like that. I went to my Sapphire Reserve, and normally it has like your number of points available. I clicked that and it was all grayed out, and I started to panic because this was new, you know what I mean? I didn't know what to expect. So I was frantically like searching on Flyer Talk and MyFICO and all these forums trying to figure out what was going on. I finally found that Chase generally does their website maintenance early Sunday mornings, like at 2 a.m. Sunday mornings, is when they typically take down the website, limited functionality, and do whatever they do. And that's what I was seeing. So I saw that on a thread, and I was like, okay, maybe that's it. So I went on Amazon and just loaded up a gift card for a few bucks just to try my Freedom Unlimited, and it went through fine. So I knew I wasn't like shut down or anything. And not that I've been doing anything shady or that would be shut down worthy. I don't do like manufactured spend. I don't buy up gift cards. I genuinely use my cards for just regular stuff. But I do have a lot of Chase cards. I've got reasonable low limits with them too, so I've tried to minimize my shutdown risk, but still you never know. So that was my first kind of legitimate scare. I just wanted to let you guys know too, just to tell you that story. But also, if you have Chase cards, just know that this might happen. If for whatever reason you're checking your accounts late at night into a Sunday morning, you might run into this, so I don't want you to freak out too. So anyway guys, my question for you guys is, are you going to pick up this card? I think it's really cool. What 3% category do you think is the best one? Let everybody know down in the comments. I'll put a general public link for this card down in the description if you'd like to check it out. I also have some referral links for popular credit cards down in the description. I do get a bonus from the banks if you use them. So if you do, I want to say thank you in advance. Leaving the video a thumbs up and subscribing are easy and free ways to help support the channel. If you guys have any one-on-one questions, if you want to drill down deep and talk about this strategy, you can get a hold of me on my Facebook page. That's also down in the description. Just drop the page a like, send me a message, we can talk credit card strategy. But that's all I've got for you this time, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure to drop a comment down below and give the video a thumbs up. Here's some other videos that I think you'll really like. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos, and I'm on Facebook and Twitter as well. See you at the next one.